Precision ADM is excited to be attending the 50th anniversary of the Global Petroleum Show this June in Calgary. Our company specializes in contract metal additive manufacturing, otherwise known as 3D printing.
Additive manufacturing has been widely adopted in both the medical and aerospace sectors. The oil and gas industry has a great opportunity to start to adopt metal additive manufacturing in their gathering, processing, and shipping sectors of the industry. Additive manufacturing can benefit the oil and gas industry in one of three ways. These include rapid prototyping, the ability to generate complex geometries that conventional machining methods cannot do today, as well as allowing the client to have parts available in very remote locations, including offshore applications or remote drilling locations. For example, we've been able to help our clients keep their legacy gas turbines operational. On many pipelines within Canada and North America, legacy gas turbines are the prime movers, compressing natural gas and moving it along the pipe. These gas turbines have many parts that are no longer manufactured and are considered obsolete in some cases. We have been able to rapidly manufacture these components in order to return these gas turbines to service on behalf of our clients. The net result is a much speedier turn time when it comes to repair and overhaul, as well as saving the customers millions upon millions of dollars it would take to upgrade to the latest and greatest gas turbine technology, or even replace the turbines they have. Additive manufacturing has historically been seen as a premium manufacturing method. However, with the technology that Precision ADM employs, we've been able to in fact reduce the cost of some components for our customers, and thus making them much more competitive. Since we'll be at the Global Petroleum Show, we'd be happy to answer your questions, offer advice, and hopefully give you that competitive advantage that you need.
We invite you to join us at the Global Petroleum Show, booth 7405 this year. We look forward to seeing you there.